Hello and welcome back to Jinx Talk. It's me. Well, today we're going to be making some clear glue slime. So yeah, you probably know how to make slime, but if you don't, here's how. First, we'll be adding in some glue. I didn't want to make the slime too big because I already had a clear slime that was currently clearing up, but I went ahead and made it decent enough to play with. Well, so next, the activator I use is the Elmer's magical liquid, so I decided I would use that. I just closed the glue right there, and there we go. I just added in squirts at a time. I think it says to add 2 teaspoons at a time, but I'm too lazy to measure stuff, so I just added in what I thought would look decent. Why do I keep saying decent? Okay, just added in what looked right. So I just decided to start stirring it, and it was coming together. You can definitely see that it was coming together. So it was very thin, so I was just gonna keep stirring, but I thought I'd need more activator. As you can see, it is very sticky, sticking to my hands. But look, it's like pulling together, so this activator works, but I have noticed you need a lot of it, and it kind of makes your slime sticky. Yeah. So I decided to add in more. And this still won't be enough, you'll soon find out. Well, it was getting thicker as we speak, and well, I didn't want to get my right hand dirty because I was stirring with that. I was putting the ingredients in with it. I was operating the camera with it, but I decided to go ahead and take it out because I thought that would help it pull together more if I needed it better. So yeah, so I just decided to add more activator because it obviously still is very runny looking, and oh, I hit the camera, sorry. I literally was like, why when this happened? So it is pulling together, that is good, that's a plus. So I added a bit more activator after that, but I stopped filming during that time, but now I'm adding more, so yeah. It's coming together good. I just maybe stick with the recipe if you're using that magical liquid activator, add 2 teaspoons at a time, because that's what it says to add. Now I thought it was about to overactivate, and I did it again. I bumped the camera. As I was saying, what were we saying? Oh yeah. I thought I overactivated it, but it turns out I didn't, and then I started adding in even more activator, and yeah, it got really thick after that point, and it was kind of the consistency I wanted, but it was still sticky. It was like all over my hands, and at this point I still didn't want to get my hands dirty, but I just had to get it off. So I went in with my right hand, and now both my hands were sticky with slime. I tried to get it off that way, but that just kind of made it worse, so I just started playing with the slime again. And I went in with my hands. I went in with both, and that was kind of a mistake. I mean, you gotta get it done, but it was hard to kind of move things around, pick things up. I couldn't add any more activator in because obviously I already, well, as you can see, put both of my hands into the slime. So it is coming together more, and then it starts to placemat line. I don't even know. So I keep on kneading it, and yeah, so So, very sticky, very, very sticky. But it is definitely a slime. If you've noticed, clear slimes, they've got to let you... Sorry. Just please, forgive me. Clear slimes, you have to let them set so the bubbles rise. That's why it's white. It'll eventually turn out clear. You just gotta keep it in an airtight container. As you can see, it is definitely full of bubbles. Pretty stretchy. I like that. I like that. And well, I thought I was done with that point, but I really wasn't, I guess. Everything was sticky, and so, yeah. Why am I doing that? It's not Play-Doh. It's slime. So I put it into the airtight container so I could let it sit, but I noticed when I was putting it in there that, okay, now it's sticky. It was very, very sticky, and when I was playing with it, like, the slime itself wasn't sticky, but the glue that hadn't gotten into the slime was in there, and that stuff was just all over my hands. Pretty gross, because it was just glue, not even slime glue. So I added in more activator. Well, little did I not know. Wait, what does that mean again? Little did I know that I should have poured it slowly. At that moment, I'm like, I just added too much activator, and so yeah, that happened. But it ended up coming together in the end, so everything's okay. And now I'm just going to put the container up. See ya soon when it becomes a slime. So like, subscribe, ring the bell. Bye, low. See you soon.